Good morning to all. And go skateboarding. Going this way, Juno. Yeah, by the way, his name is Juno. Oh no, my skateboard. There's another dog down there. And there's a truck. Let's go this way. Not too hot, not too cold. It's gonna get to like 80 degrees today though. It's gonna be hot. You know, my feet feel like vibrating. Let's go back the other way. Yeah, we gotta wait for this car though. I'm gonna go back the other way. My trucks are like moving around whenever I turn. It's very concerning. Right, let's go, Joe, let's go. Hold on, Gino. What is wrong with this thing? That one's kind of loose. And that one's kind of loose. Okay. Gotta tighten those when I get home. Come on, Gino. Usually I try and go out for a skateboard ride when either super early in the morning, middle of the day, or late at night. Not late at night when it's dark, but when people are home. So right now everybody's trying to go to work. Today though, he's kind of tired. We went a couple towns over for this. So, hold on, Juno. Usually for us, trash happens on, what, Monday? Tuesday? I don't know. Usually it happens in the middle of the week instead of Monday. It's kind of cool. This would be a cool place to live. Alright, I'm gonna go down that way. Yeah, let's go down that way for a bit. I have no idea where I am, to be honest. I don't know if I can get home from here. Stop. Epic turnaround. And you know, there's cars. Let's go for it. Juno, why you cut me off, puppy? Come on, Juno. This might get a bit sketchy. Hold on, Juno. Alright, let's just go for it. Come on, Juno. Let's go for it. Full send or no send. Let's come out here on my bike. There's a bike park somewhere around here. For the last 2 episodes of this, I've been coming out here. But I should go over by my house. Alright, I think we're gonna end it here. I gotta figure out how to get home from here. So thank you all for watching and have an amazing rest of your day.